Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Instagram chat theme on Android. Don't worry, it's very easy. So let's start. First, open your Instagram app. On the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the message icon. Now open any chat where you want to change the theme. After that, tap on the person's name at the top. Here you'll see an option called theme. Tap on it. Now choose any theme you like. And done. Your chat theme will change instantly. Just remember, this change is only for that chat, not the whole app. And the other person will also see the theme. If you don't see this option, update your Instagram app. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.